Hi everybody, this is Alejo and today we are going to talk about 5 different ways to use actually. Number 1, we use actually to say that something is true. Very similar to the word really. Do cats actually have 9 lives? Number 2, we use actually to correct someone. Hey Alejo, are you from Chile? Actually, no, I am from Colombia. Number 3, we use actually to differentiate something. I love seafood, but actually I hate octopus. Number 4, we use actually to admit or confess something.
Alejo, did you eat the last cookie?
Actually, yes. And number 5, we use actually to add information. I am an English teacher and a communicator actually. There you go, my friends. 5 different ways to use the word actually.